Okay, got a couple of pieces together from 3D printed at the library. This one's one of my favorites because I had to hot glue this piece together. As you can see, these pieces I got. Oh, here we go. The Mask of Time, Mask of Creation, Mask of Life. Cool. 4 feet for blue characters. This thing is going to be either a shield or a wing. I don't know what to make of it yet. I think the thing can also be used. I just don't know what I could use it for. This one's one of my favorites. I might use it for a kind of resembles a thing. Now this one is cool. This one is really cool. A lot of really cool pieces. This is Let's see how these fit. Let's see. Let's see here. This one actually fits pretty nicely. Just one sec. One sec. Pretty cool connection piece. Actually pretty unique. Yeah. Nice.